What up, frigates, and welcome to part 2 of day 3 sailing the Florida Keys on our MacGregor 26. In this video, we go into the Channel 5 bridge and claim in Anchorage at Long Key. Finally! Also, Johnny learns to play the ukulele.
A Star is Born.
Nah, don't you be putting none of that shit on YouTube neither.
Oh, it's going on.
Oh my god.
Okay, we didn't have much wind, so we decided to take the sails down. We're motoring out right now. I'm at the helm, which is probably not the best idea, but I'm pretty sure I keep the red on the right and the green on the left. At least that's what it looks like from the map. However, the red ICW line does not always go in between the markers on the map. So we're just gonna go with the visual, because I don't know what else to do. Waiting for a big yacht to fly past us and guide the way, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
Day 3 on the water, about 12:30 p.m. Florida time.
What up? All right, so the winds were garbage. We motored over, as I think I told you already. We can see Channel 5 bridge way off in the distance. No way you guys are gonna be able to see it on this thing, but so we're not far from that anchorage we were going for. It's only like 1:30. We were thinking we headed out to the seaside, but we started looking around for anchorages around on the seaside. It looked like we kind of have to go to Marathon. If you guys know one from the Channel 5 bridge to Marathon that's a good one, let us know so we know for the future. But on the seaside, but so I don't know, we got to look at all that, and we might just go ahead and drop anchor and stay here tonight anyway, because anyway, I might have to edit that out. According, Johnny's down in his underwear claiming he has the new COVID, but he's still high spirited, but we'll see. Oh, here, hold on, there he is down there high footing it with the new COVID. Perfect. Okay, so we don't know what we're doing. This might be the end of this video. I'll let you know soon. Whoop! Valerie's cleaning up the dishes. Thank you, Valerie, for lunch. It was delicious. Rice and beans wrapped in a tortilla. All right, so we don't know. We're gonna pull the anchor, try to sail off anchor, see if we can do it. Then we still haven't decided whether or not to go to the seaside or straight to the anchorage. I think we're just gonna play around out here for a little bit. We'll see if we can just do this whole sail off anchor thing. No motor, right? Well, except to get the anchor up, probably, because I'm weak. He's gonna make me muscle it. Great.
Well, everybody's got to watch all the time. I just want to sail.
Oh. Mr. Poopy Pants.
I did not poop my pants.
That new COVID strain.
I'm telling you, it's a common cold. It's probably allergies from something I walked past last night.
That new COVID strain includes spontaneous poopy pants.
That's it. I quit. I'm walking off the set.
Okay, you're gonna have to untie this and hoist the main before I get the anchor pulled.
I really hate this topping lift. It is so annoying. Too long. Way too long. That is not right. It's just too much. Too much shit. Way too much. I mean, pardon my French. Too much stuff. We don't need all of this stuff. Oh.
You ready, poopy pants?
No, I am not. Because legitimately, I really wanted this other thing.
Give up first?
I did, because that would have push me in the water? Yeah. Would have made for better television. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Hey, we're up. We're not ready to do this. Pull rudders down. No rudders down. My phone was dinging. No centerboard. Go. We did it!
And my gloves wet once again. Don't wreck me. What you doing?
I am charging my phone.
Look at the bottom of her feet again.
Looking at the bottom of her feet again. But they're coming around the backside of her head. I don't know how she does that.
I keep asking her what it is that she's looking for, and she keeps giving me the same answer, and I can't figure what's on the bottom of her feet. It's like it's so dang it.
What am I doing?
Just, I don't know.
Okay.
Show the camera what you
Entertaining
see.
the world right now is what you're doing.
Is this going outward?
Yeah, we're going away from land.
I mean,
We're going to an island.
I'm seeing if it's showing us or showing
It's showing.
us.
It's showing you.
It's showing us.
What do you want to tell them?
Okay.
What do you want to tell them? Where we're going?
I was going to show them out that way so we can see it.
Yep, we got an island straight out in front of us. We're gonna have to change heading here soon, but we're having fun at the moment.
Yeah.
It'd be sweet if we had some dolphins coming. Wind straight on the beam. The anchorage we want straight that way behind us. So we're just gonna go out and back and play around for a little bit.
Bow legs cut. Bow legs cut, Florida. Yep.
Bow legs cut, Florida. Not sure what that means. I guess that's where we are.
That is where we are at.
What else you want to add on your captain's notes before I turn it off? And that's the captain's briefing.
Yeah, I don't know if I got allergies going on or what. I got something going on. It's driving me nuts.
Woo! Just turned around, catching some speeds back towards the other direction, towards the anchorage. How we going? How fast we moving?
4.5 knots until I turned it.
4.5. Yeah, so got in the water yesterday while we were on our little lunch anchorage. It's cold. I didn't put on a wetsuit. I wanted to see what it'd feel like without it, because it didn't feel all that bad just in my hand. But I got in and it was like, it's freaking cold. So I don't think I'm doing that without a wetsuit again. It is January in the Florida Keys, but whew.
Sure is nice of them to put all these mooring balls out here for us.
Yeah, we can moor up out here just about anywhere. They're not very big, but surprised this mooring field isn't loaded. Where you going, bird? Where you going, little birdie? So we've been texting Corey Sprock a little bit. Johnny sold him some beans before we left. Look, sorry, Corey sent me a picture of a new vehicle. They were teasing that Corey might be buying a new vehicle to go to Florida if he got enough money out of Johnny's beans. Apparently he did. By the way, Corey, we used the rest of your fuel the other day to fill that tank right there. So your sponsorship has run out at the end of this trip.
We're looking for a new sponsor now.
Yeah.
Maybe Keith Davenport. So he's making 80 bushel beans. He can afford it.
Yep. So we're no longer sponsored by Legit Grains as of once that fuel tank runs out. So new sponsorships can be contracted. Contact us at our email. You can find it on the YouTube channel later. Thanks, Corey. It was a fun ride. Just heard back from Corey. He said the deal on those beams wasn't as good as he expected, and he could only rent that vehicle with the profits he made. A little Nissan, I don't know, Pathfinder or something. I don't know what it is. Some little Nissan SUV. But sorry, Corey.
It looked like a little miniature car to me.
Yeah, it looked like some little electric Prius is what it looked like, but I don't know. Thanks anyway. Appreciate you. All right, so we just looked, and we got a little over half tank down here left, of course, sponsorship, which is a 12-gallon tank, so there's probably 8 gallons left in there, I'm guessing. But that 8 gallons plus saline, no, that 4 gallons that we've used so far plus saline has got us 36 miles from where we started over at Gilbert's Resort to the Channel 5 bridge, which is way over here, directly in the sun, pretty much under the sail.
Just call me Captain Ron. Wow. Yeah, this is the best spot on the boat right here. Yeah.
Let's hope that doesn't happen.
Okay. Yeah, it's above head level. Yeah. Yes, sirree, Bob.
Oh boy.
Can't get no safer than that.
Last time I got dinked on the head by that thing, I warned Steve Hill about 30 seconds before that to watch out for the boob. Do you at least have your lanyard on? He's tethered in, ladies and gentlemen. So, we haven't been very successful sailing downwind, trying the wang on wang action at Mark Twain Lake thanks to shifty winds, but we figured it out here.
Sorta.
Kinda. Key is
we should probably have a
to have the boom lifted way up with the topper lift. Let the mainsail pull a big scoop on one side while the jib's pulling a big scoop on the other. That's the best we've found it so far. Yeah, we know it's touch and sputter. It's not that bad. It's light wind.
key is to have steady winds.
Yeah, steady winds help. We will see you tomorrow. Looks like the video's not over. Just got through checking the weather. It's gonna be coming out of the northeast, so we're considering anchoring back over, I don't know,
Back there.
where we came from, way back over there. But that's not gonna be good. And then Fiesta Key's right there. We were thinking about going the other side of Fiesta Key. That's not gonna work for northeast. So we're going under the Channel 5 bridge today. This will be our first bridge going under. Oh, you gotta go between the wooden things over there. That's where you're supposed to go between. Of course, we're shallow enough we probably don't need to, but that's where you're supposed to go. So this is gonna be our first going under the bridge. So this video is not over today. You gonna try to sail through it or motor through it?
I'm sailing.
Here we go.
I'm a sailor.
As our sails are doing that.
Well, yeah, I mean, I changed course to go through the wooden thing. We'll make it.
So yeah, there, we found a different anchorage on the other side. It's going to protect us from those north-northeast winds. We can get the sails to where we want them to here. We're going to give that a go. So to recalculate to go through the wood thing, although I don't think we would have had to because we're shallow enough, but you never know. But the wood opening, we decided to furl in the head sail, kick on the motor, so we have some more control getting through here. The main is just pulled really tight.
Not really tight because our topping lift is still there.
But it's centered up.
Yeah, it's centered up. I think we're fine. Fishing people over there. People love to fish.
It's gonna get a little bumpy through here. Woohoo! The thing is 65 feet. We got plenty clearance. We are now on the Atlantic side. That is correct. We made it! Woo! But we'll probably be going back to that side in the morning to hit the marina.
Where's all the wind at? There'll be a lot of wind over here. I'll go back. Where's the E? E is a little more complicated, isn't it?
Like a deep one, I can't.
Well, I've been looking real hard and I'm trying to find a job. Just keeps getting tougher every day. And I got to do my part, cause I know in my heart I got to please my sweet baby. What? Please my sweet baby, yeah. Well, I ain't superstitious and I get no suspicious. Is a friend of mine, and I know that it's true that all the things that I do will come back to me in my sweet time. So keep on rocking me, baby. 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 Baby, baby, baby. I went from Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to Tacoma, Philadelphia, Atlanta, LA. Yeah, Northern California, where the girls are warm, so I could be with my sweet baby, yeah. Rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Baby, 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 baby. those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me. Yeah. Give me some mountain music, down the rain. What? Man, you gonna make me do an overview, redo?
I missed it, the good part.
Oh man, play me some mountain music like Grandma and Grandpa used to play. Woohoo! Big fallings. No, I don't know that one. Sorry.
Take two, go.
No.
Then play something different.
I don't know any other Hawaiian songs except for this one. Mahalo! Wait.
Oh,
Sound a lot like Guns N' Roses for some reason.
Oh, yeah.
A Star is Born.
Nah, don't you be putting on that shit on YouTube neither.
Oh, it's going on.
Oh my god.
And that will be the actual end of the video. See you tomorrow. In the next video, we dodge a storm to find fuel and do a review of Calusa Cove Marina. See you there. Frig it out.